when you need to add your rates per order basis, you can add those rates in this rate card as well. In this section you can see there is another section called per order. This option can be used to charge a flat rate for your order. So in the delivery method is per order and the delivery charge will be 300 like this. For the returns also you can put the per order and return charge will be 200. So as we done in the previous video, you can select the zone which is applicable this above rates like this. If you want to add another zone for same rates, you can simply select the zone here, and these zones are applicable for the above rate. Likewise, if you want to add another section for new rates, you can select per order here and flat rate here like this. For different zone, you can add like this. Now the flat rates are applicable for this rate card, different flat rates for different zones.